Ever found yourself wondering, how do I actually get my hands on the money in my neobank account? You're not alone. While the convenience of digital banking is undeniable, the physical act of withdrawing cash can sometimes feel a bit mysterious. Unlike traditional banks with their ubiquitous branches and ATMs, neobanks operate a little differently. They've streamlined the banking experience, often leading to lower fees and innovative features, but it also means understanding their specific methods for accessing your funds. So, you've got money in your neobank. Great. Now, let's talk about turning those digital digits into tangible currency. The primary ways to withdraw money from a neobank typically revolve around a few key methods, each with its own advantages. First up, and probably the most common, is using your debit card at an ATM. Most neobanks provide a physical debit card linked to your account. This card functions much like a traditional bank debit card. You can use it at any ATM that supports the card network, like Visa or MasterCard. The key here is to be aware of any ATM fees. While many neobanks offer a certain number of free ATM withdrawals per month, or even free withdrawals within a specific network, exceeding those limits or using out-of-network ATMs can incur charges. Always check your neobank's terms and conditions regarding ATM fees to avoid surprises. Daily withdrawal limits also apply, and these can vary significantly between neobanks. Some might allow up to $500 per day, others much more, so it's wise to check your specific bank's limits in their app or on their website. Beyond the physical card, many neobanks are embracing cardless cash withdrawal options. This is where the innovation really shines. Imagine needing cash but realizing you left your wallet at home. With cardless withdrawal, you can often generate a unique code within your neobank's mobile app. You then take this code to a participating ATM or even a designated retail partner, like certain convenience stores, enter the code, and voila, cash in hand. This method is incredibly convenient and adds an extra layer of security since you don't need to carry your physical card. Again, check your neobank's app to see if this feature is available and which partners they have. Another common way to access your funds is through transfers to another bank account. If you need to move a larger sum of money or prefer to withdraw from a different bank you also use, you can initiate an electronic transfer from your neobank account to an account at a traditional bank. These are usually standard bank transfers, like ACH transfers in many regions, or faster payment systems depending on your location. While often free for standard transfers, always confirm if there are any fees or limits, especially for expedited transfers. International transfers are also usually an option, though these often come with specific fees and exchange rates, so it's crucial to review those details if you're sending money across borders. Finally, while less common for direct cash withdrawal, peer-to-peer, P2P, payment services can indirectly help you access funds. If a friend or family member has cash, you can send them money from your neobank via a P2P app, and they can then give you the physical cash. This is more of a workaround but can be useful in a pinch. The best way to withdraw money from your neobank truly depends on your specific needs and the features offered by your particular neobank. Always dive into your bank's app or website to familiarize yourself with their specific withdrawal methods, limits, and any associated fees. Understanding these details will ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience whenever you need to turn your digital balance into tangible cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.